Here are 10 easy ways to add more protein to your diet, without drastically changing your dietary intake. 1. Add Greek yogurt to breakfast. Swap regular yogurt for Greek yogurt, as Greek yogurt has nearly twice the protein and makes a great base for fruit, granola, or smoothies. 2. Snack on hard-boiled eggs. One hard-boiled egg has about 6 to 7 grams of protein. It is a good idea to keep a few hard-boiled eggs ready in the fridge for a quick, high-protein snack. 3. Choose protein-rich snacks. Opt for snacks like nuts, seeds, edamame, roasted chickpeas, protein bars, or jerky instead of chips or sweets. In case of nuts, please remember that they can have a higher calorific load, hence moderation is key. A recommended portion size for nuts is about 30 grams, which is roughly a small, cupped handful. This translates to about 175 calories, depending on the type of nut. 4. Use protein powder in smoothies. A scoop of protein powder can add up to 15 to 30 grams of protein. Protein powder can be great for post-workout or breakfast smoothies. 5. Add beans or lentils to meals. Toss chickpeas, black beans, or lentils into soups, salads, or rice bowls for a plant-based protein boost. 6. Include lean meats or fish. Add grilled chicken, turkey, tuna, or salmon to salads, wraps, and sandwiches. 7. Top meals with cheese. Adding shredded mozzarella, feta, or cottage cheese can increase protein while enhancing flavor. 8. Choose high-protein grains. Swap white rice or pasta for quinoa, buckwheat, farro, or barley. All these grains have more protein and nutrients. 9. Use eggs in creative ways. Try making omelette, egg muffins, or even protein-rich pancakes using eggs or egg whites. 10. Replace sugary cereals with high-protein options. Opt for protein-fortified cereals, oats with protein powder, or cottage cheese bowls for a breakfast with lasting energy. Want more tips like this? Why not check out other content on our channel, and if you found this to be useful, why not support us by leaving us a comment, sharing, liking this video, or subscribing to our channel? Thank you.